We are here with one of my good friends, Brett Benson, who happens to be my neighbor. Hi, Brett.
Hi.
How are you? Good to see you.
Very well.
So it's summertime, and I hear that you like to do some fun things with, I don't know, juice, lemonade, vodka.
Yeah. Well, I like making Boozy Popsicles. And Boozy Popsicles are basically popsicles with your favorite type of alcohol stuck in between them. And you can mix all different types of things together. But today we're going to go through just a couple of ideas just to get your juices flowing.
Yay!
And,
I love that.
And kind of go through here on doing electric lemonade popsicles.
Okay.
And we're going to start out here with Tito's vodka, which we all know Tito's is Nito. And we're going to use a quarter cup of vodka.
Now I've heard the ratio is very important.
It is very important because if you don't get the ratio right, your popsicle's not going to set up.
Oh, no bueno.
So you're just going to end up with a slushy.
Well, that's not necessarily
it's not
that bad.
It's not bad at all. And then you're going to do 4 parts to your vodka.
Okay.
And I would highly recommend keeping your vodka in the freezer. It just helps it set up a little bit quicker.
Easy enough.
And who doesn't like cold vodka?
Sorry, we don't have room for frozen vegetables. We're putting the vodka in the freezer.
Right, exactly. So today we're going to use 1 lemon here, and we're gonna put some lemon juice in this just to kind of pull out a little bit more of a lemon flavor. We're going to use some bits of lemon.
Okay.
And some of these strawberries.
Perfect.
And we'll get this going in here. And then you can also add in some
baby basil leaves.
Baby basil.
Whatever you have. It sounds like it's pretty flexible.
It's very flexible.
It sounds like, I mean, you could even make this after having maybe a vodka lemonade. And still it will turn out.
Yeah.
Whatever sounds good.
It does.
Should I just dump it in?
Yeah, dump it in there.
All right.
We'll stir this up. That way we get the vodka mixed in. And that way we don't have any setting up issues.
Okay.
And then we're just going to go ahead and pour it in.
Yeah. And it looks like, so this is a very fancy popsicle mold that Brett brought over. This is Zoku. Here's one. These are way better than, I probably found these at the grocery store. It's really easy to find popsicle molds these days, it seems like. So you can use this. These are twice the size, though, the ones that Brett bought. So that's like a full cocktail, would you say?
Yes. Very much
so. Refreshing.
Well, this is going to, I mean, who's not going to be impressed that comes over to your house and you say, you want a Boozy Popsicle? First question is going to be, what's a Boozy Popsicle? And yeah, I want one.
I was going to say, no one's going to say no to that. So you freeze this for about how long? Overnight?
Overnight.
Okay.
I think it requires about 4 hours to do it.
Yeah, okay. Sounds good. And yeah, so here are some finished ones. Okay, these are delicious. So cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you so much. We'll
Thank
put more details below this video so you can make these at home. Okay, I'm Michelle Dudash. Make sure you like this page if you haven't already. If you know somebody who would like to make these, tag them so they'll get the recipe too. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Stay cool.